Hello guys, it's Miss Carasols. I'm going to do a quick video on literal equations to make sure that if there was any confusion that it gets cleared out. Remember, if you are still struggling, you can come to tutorials during a lunch. I will be in my room. So here we go. First thing you need to know about literal equations is that we are using inverse operations to get rid of any variables from one side to the other side. So the opposite of adding is subtracting, vice versa. The opposite of subtracting is adding. Opposite of multiply is divide. Opposite of divide is to multiply. The opposite of an exponent is a radical, and the opposite of a radical is an exponent. So let's get right into it. We're just going to do two quick examples, and that is it. So here we go. We are solving this equation for A right here. So we have K being multiplied and everything is being divided by B. Before I can get rid of K, I have to get rid of B. Since B is being divided, I am going to multiply by B. On both sides. So now I have BU equals AK. Now I want A by itself, so remember A is being multiplied to K. So I need to divide by K on both sides. This K is going to cancel out. So I am left with A equals BU over K. That is it for that one. Let's go to the next one. So negative 3x plus 2c equals negative 3 for x. We are solving for x. Okay, so we are solving for x, meaning we want to get rid of negative 3. We want to get rid of 2c and move both of those over here with this negative 3. So we are first going to move this 2c to the other side before we move that negative 3 away from the x. So to move 2c to the other side, we're going to subtract 2c on both sides. These two cancel out. We're left with negative 3x. We're left with negative 3 minus 2c. Now our last step is to divide by negative 3, and this is where it gets a little complicated. We're dividing the whole thing by negative 3. That means that we're dividing negative 3 by negative 3, and we're dividing negative 2 by negative 3. Oh, my fault. And I forgot a C right there. Okay, so boop, negative 3. So that is the same as negative 3 divided by negative 3 and negative 2 divided by negative 3. On this first one, negative 3 divided by negative 3 is just negative 1. On the second one, these negative signs will cancel out. So that is plus 2 over 3 C. And we are left with x on this side. And that is our final answer. Okay, if you have any more problems, feel free to reach out or come in for tutorials and I will help you out.